I guess he's looking for his information in his book bag. When he digs in his book bag, they pulls a gun out. What was the purpose of a gun? And now they asking me to open my door so I can get out. I'm scared. If you can pull out a gun in front of two, it's two kids in the back seat.
Open the door for you.
Do
you understand?
Yes.
All right.
No, don't mess my. Now they about to mess my. No.
I'm not the operator
now they
of
about
this
to
vehicle.
bless
So
my window.
if you do that, all right. I'm not the operation of this vehicle.
Are you gonna open the door?
Why do you say somebody's not gonna hurt you? People are getting shot by the police.
Oh shit! Damn!
That was crazy. That is horrible. This is a horrible situation. This is wait. Are you recording this?
Yes.
This is terrible.
Take it off. Oh shit!
This is crazy.
Oh. Shit! Take it off, man!
Oh no!
I told y'all my kids in the car, man. Why would y'all do that shit?
Angie, come on.
Talk about what, man?
Come on, climb. They done bust out the car window and everything because they couldn't have a seatbelt on. I gave them